In this video, I will be talking about a problem I have talked about before, and that will be the problem you could run into if you're adding 3/4 inch or 1 inch treads to an existing stairway. And the problem starts with your existing riser heights. If they're all the same, and you can see that here, we have 7 1/4 inches on our existing stairway all the way up to the top. And it's not going to be a problem if you use the same materials for the entire stairway. For example, if I'm going to have the same size tread, the same length, nosing, and height of all of the parts, I'm going to end up with the same riser height. And your riser height might not be 7 1/4 inches, but it does need to fall within the building codes in your area. And that will include the depth of the tread and the overall maximum height of the riser. And the maximum height is usually going to be 7 3/4 inches, and the minimum tread depth might be 11 or 10 inches. You'll need to check with your local building department because there have been some changes for adding nosings if you do not have an existing nosing or an undercut. So again, all the materials are the same. We don't have a problem. But this isn't always going to be the case. And that's the reason why I made the video. Your problem is usually going to happen at the bottom or the top of the stairway. As you can see here, if you don't change the existing floor heights on the bottom or the top, you're going to end up with a taller riser at the bottom and a shorter riser at the top. So before you add anything to your stairway, make sure that you're aware of this so that you don't end up creating a trip hazard. And the last thing I want to point out in the video is that most building codes allow for a 3/8 of an inch maximum variation in the stair riser heights. So if I'm not going to add the same material thickness to the bottom or the top, I might get away with using different materials. In this case here, I used 3/8 of an inch thick flooring materials so that it will work if that building code is in your area. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.